Hey you guys, welcome back. It is day 2 of our Christmas unboxing. The stuff I got from Black Friday I'm sharing with you guys, and today we are going to go over my simplicity.com pattern haul. I don't even remember what patterns I got so we're gonna be surprised together, but can't wait to share them with you. As always, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Don't forget to check out my blog. But yes, let's go ahead and get into day 2 of the 5 days of Christmas unboxing. Alright you guys, so this is gonna be like a pattern haul, I guess, on the low. But hey, why not? Why not? Who can have too many pattern hauls, right? So simplicity.com had their Black Friday sale, and this is my package. I will say, a side note about simplicity.com. If you're out there, simplicity.com, I really used to like my box of patterns. I loved getting that nice brown box, sturdy, square box where I could just like open it up like Christmas and look in there and get my patterns. We have now started to send the packaging. I get it, but the experience is not the same, let me tell you. If you feel the way I feel, comment in the comment section down below. But your girl is like, hey, I'm paying for my shipping, I'm paying for my handling. Can I get a box? Can your girl get a box? I like the luxurious box. But I digress. So let's get into it. Let's see what we have here. I got a total of how many patterns did I even get? It doesn't say. Oh yes it does. I got 11 patterns. I don't know. Ooh, 11 patterns. I don't know what they are, but let's just, I'm not even gonna go into detail. We're not gonna do a full out pattern haul. We'll go through that later. I'm just gonna show you what I got. I got Butterick 7006. Super cute, right? Love that. This off the shoulder is everything. 2 views, A and B. Love it. Okay. The next one I got here is Butterick 7009. When I first saw this pattern, I wasn't sure if I liked it, but I do. I don't know where I would wear it. Maybe like, I don't even know. It would probably be spring, but I really like this. I like the pants. I like the drapiness and the flowiness of the top. And I think it's really cute. Okay, next one I got here is Butterick 7013. This is all the sizes in one. I love when Butterick does that. This is all the things, you guys. Like, I think this is a newer one. I think this one is a fall Butterick pattern. You got the skirt, the top, the turtleneck, the crisscross top, the pants, and they're just mixing and matching them every kind of way. I really love this pattern. I honestly bought this pattern because of this knit pant. Look at the fit on that pant, y'all. Come on, Butterick, come through. I love this. The boot cut on that, the fit, the fact that this is a knit. Come on. And then I love this as well. The turtleneck with the skirt. These 3 items right here, I adore. I absolutely adore. We'll talk about it another time. Let's see, we have our new look 6785. This one was a reach for me. I like it. I like the lines. I'm not sure if I like how they styled it. I think it might be a little too big for the model, but who am I? And there's a bag that comes with it, so I was like, well, we'll see. So you have, you know, the coat, the dress, and the bag here, and then a short coat option. So I like that. from New Look. It could be interesting. All right, next thing I got here is from Simplicity. This is Simplicity 9851. Love this top here. I like all of these, but to me, this right here is my jam. This is giving me like 1990s, wearing a choker, but it's a top with a shoulder fully out. Like, hey, I love it. I love this top. This is why I bought this pattern. And the floral print that they made this in, I love that as well. Love it. So, all right, the next one we have here, and y'all, I bought this pattern twice. 2 times, because I forgot I bought it the first time. This is McCall's 8532. I think that this is also a fall release of this jacket and this vest. So there's that. McCall's 8532. Love it, love it, love it. I think I actually bought fabric to make this. I don't know if I'm gonna get around to it this year, but this is coming at some point soon. Well, it's coming. So, okay. Do y'all ever have a list of patterns and you're like, when I find it on sale, I'm gonna get it, but until then, I'm just gonna keep this perpetual list? And it's always perpetual because you're always adding patterns, right? Like, y'all are probably adding patterns today while you're watching this video to your perpetual list, right? Right. Okay, so this pattern I've had on my perpetual list, and I was like, you know what, it's time. Vogue 1692. Y'all, I don't know what step and repeat, red carpet runway, ball or galleria I'm going to, but when I do, this is, your girl's gonna wear it. Vogue 1692 with Julio Caesar. This is so cute. Just everything about this, the racer back, the slit, I just love it. So, got that. Next thing we have here is Vogue 8959. This is all, well, love it. This is a poncho, and I don't know which view I like the most, but I like them all. Here's the poncho. You got all different lengths of poncho here, but if you're a poncho person, can't go wrong with this, especially since it's very easy. I love this pattern. All right, we got a couple more here. By a couple, I mean 3, so it's really a few. We have another Vogue 8980. This is a skirt pattern. If y'all saw my last skirt pattern debacle, I'm gonna try it again. And I'm gonna make peace with these skirts. Me and these skirts, we're gonna get along. I'm telling you. This is a Vogue skirt pattern that I really like. All different lengths of skirt, and I think it's just really cute. And it's a very easy. So I got that. I also got Vogue 9021, which I've had on my perpetual list for a while. Another very easy Vogue, but I really like this dress with the flutter sleeve. I could see this being super easy. I could see this being a 4-piece pattern. Skirt front, skirt back, top front, top back, no sleeve. So I love that. And both lengths, I think this could be super, super cute for spring. So love that. And then the last pattern in my JOANN unboxing is Vogue 2064. Y'all, this pattern has been hot. I'm telling you, I've been seeing this pattern all across YouTube, and it's hot. Look at that. Vogue 2064. Absolutely love it. Love, love, love. It's so cute. in the sleeveless and the sleeve version, but this version right here is giving me life. It's giving me all the feels. If you guys have not seen, Mimi G has sewn this up recently and it is major. So when she sewed it up, I was like, I had ordered that and it's in the box somewhere, and I might have to pull it out because it's really cute, y'all. So I love this dress. I love the like volume in the skirt, the turtleneck, the sleeve. What's not to love about any of this? And I love it. So I don't know if I'm gonna make it yet, but I have it in my stash. So that's all we need to know. All right, y'all, so hopefully you enjoyed day 2 of our Christmas unboxing. I will see you again tomorrow, and we will get into day 3 and what else I got during the Black Friday sale. I'm starting to feel like maybe Black Friday is like the best time